So I'm going to go over feedback loops, which is part of organizational learning, and the first thing we need to do is we need to construct a representation of the company. So I'm going to use the core functions of the value chain to do that. So inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, sales and marketing, service, and margin. So in essence, what we have is a strategy. So this top arrow, which I've already drawn, represents strategy. So we've got inputs coming in, we're going through the value adding process, the delivery, the sales and marketing, etc. And ultimately we have our dollar earnings, which tangibly represent the value of our activities. Now, to make that strategic decision or any of those decisions, we have information coming in, and that's represented by that arrow there. And then what happens is information from each of the individual departments is fed in to that information gathering process. So the bottom arrow, I'm going to call that feedback. And what we're having is we've got information from each of those departments coming in into the feedback loop, which then works its way around to the strategic decision-making process. So that's a very quick representation of a feedback loops within the organization using a decomposition model, in this case the value chain. And we go over that in great detail in the more than 150 video lessons which you can purchase off the website. So we don't just go over this one model, we go over more than 150 critical business models. You can purchase them all from the website. And that in red there is a number 1. That's not an L, that's a number 1. So it's VA, the number 1, UE-chain.com.